After logging into the dashboard, locate the left-hand navigation menu. Click on the students. Drop down to expand it. Select the admission option. The GR number AIR, automatically generated by the system. Select the class section for the student. From the drop-down menu, for example, 9, Section A, English closing parenthesis, select the appropriate session year, for example, 2025. Choose the student's type from the drop-down, for example, regular. Enter the special discount percent if applicable, for example, 10%. Enter the registration fee amount, for example, 5,000 closing parentheses. Fill in the student's first name and last name. Select the date of birth. Using the calendar picker, choose the student's gender by clicking the male or female radio button. Click the upload button to add a profile image for the student. Enter the student's mobile number. Enter the student's current address and permanent address in the respective fields. In the guardian email field, search for an existing guardian by typing their email. If the guardian is not found, a new section will appear below to create a new guardian record. Enter the new guardian's first name, last name, and mobile number. Choose the guardian's gender, male, female. Click Upload to add an image for the guardian. Click the Submit button to save the student and guardian information. Go back to the Students menu and select List Students. Find the student you just added in the list. Their status will initially be inactive. Check the box next to the student's name. Click the Active button located above the student list. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking, "Are you sure?" Click Yes. Change it to activate the student's account. The student's status will now be updated to active.